Batch 47 must clear extraction NOBU.
X-ray clean, sending to grading. Seal the crates, flight leaves and...
Team Alpha, expedite refinement.
Nacre depth confirmed. Push to AAA lane.
Natural pearls, rarer than gold. Today, we reveal mass-scale processing from raw ocean harvest.
Surface clear, good nacre depth.
Every natural pearl begins as an accident.
Millions of oysters, but only a handful produce true natural pearls.
Section A, continue size sorting. Maintain uniform flow.
These pearls reshape the global luxury industry, prized by designers for unmatched natural luster.
This stone is perfect.
From ocean to artistry, every strand carries a story. Ensure knot spacing. This set is for the premium line.
These are all certified natural specimens from Aqualustre Lab.
These are all certified natural specimens from Aqualustre Lab.
These pearls took over 10 years to form.
A natural pearl transforms elegance itself.
From the depths of the ocean to the heights of luxury.
Every natural pearl hunt begins with precise planning. Team Alpha, prepare for Gulf assignment.
No shortcuts. Only mature oyster beds are touched. Natural pearl collection is strictly regulated. Ensure environmental compliance and record each haul.
Your assignments depend on tidal forecasts. Team Gulf, leave at 4:30 hours. Team Mannar, coordinate with...
يلا جهز المعدات.
Check depth line markers. The best oyster beds...
Log everything. Natural pearl traceability begins from the ocean.
Batch patti note pandite.
Near romba calm iruku, diving easy today.
Remember, no over-harvesting. Focus only on mature clusters.
Waters are clear today, mate, hey? Perfect for spotting the old oyster beds.
Copy that photo. Maintain safe dive intervals.
Heavy shells must be decades old.
Australia's wild oysters produce some of the world's largest natural pearls.
Lock seals. These go straight to Aqualustre Lab for authenticity verification.
Natural pearl transport follows strict chain of custody protocols.
Dave, our lab catches every deception, but you must remain alert.
Batch numbers 47 through 52 clean. Move them to preliminary clean.
Teams A and B begin preliminary checks. Verify batch seals before unloading.
Every natural pearl batch begins with strict verification.
Sort by region and shell maturity. Mannar to lane 3, Gulf to lane 1. Keep movement smooth.
Copy, sir. Sorting by maturity now.
Teams A and B, Chayan, begin preliminary checks.
Gentle pressure only. Natural pearls scratch easily.
Found one. Clean surface. Extraction is slow. Careful work. No machines can replace skilled hands.
Label it Gulf Batch 12.
Temperature constant, no harsh detergents. Keep the nacre safe.
Natural pearls receive only light cleaning, never bleaching.
Batch labels verified. Send these to refinement. Every movement is tracked. Ensure
Surface film removed. Lovely. Luster intact.
Good. Add to pre-sorting tray.
Batch 12 logged up. Moving to polishing line.
Digital traceability protects authenticity.
mechanical pass complete.
Baroque but high luster set aside for specialty line. Shape and luster define value, and natural pearls rarely offer perfection.
Mark this one grade A, clean skin.
Roger, grade A tagged.
Only pearls that pass initial tests advance to deep analysis.
Confirm nacre depth consistency. Any suspect pieces go to secondary screening.
Route all AAA candidates to station 4 and 5.
High-value pearls are routed.
Even at this stage, fraud screening begins. Natural pearls must remain untouched.
Batch clean, no artificial tint detected.
Station rotation clean. Begin second pass nacre depth logs. A structured pipeline ensures that every test is verified twice. Move all cleared batches to level 2 certification. Keep chain of custody intact.
From thousands, only a small number make it to final grading.
Cleaning stage complete. Proceed to surface refinement. Maintain gentle handling, nacre is soft.
With cleaning complete, minimal pressure only. Preserve nacre thickness.
Natural pearls are never cut down, but tiny surface imperfections may be gently refined.
This one's developing strong orient. Yeah.
Hand polishing reveals the nacre's natural brilliance.
Surface refinement complete. Begin shape classification.
Shape defined. Batch 12 averages 6.2 millimeters. Clear for next stage.
Precise size calibration ensures accurate grading later.
Surface smooth. No abrasions from refinement.
Proceed lab pre-check.
Every refinement step is double verified.
Batch 47 incoming. Begin X-ray pre-qualification.
From this point, every pearl is scientifically tracked.
Full nacre, natural confirmed.
X-ray imaging verifies authenticity. Natural pearls show concentric organic layers.
No dye absorption. Batch is clean.
UV tests detect treatments or fraud.
Minimum nacre depth confirmed, acceptable.
Nacre depth determines
Density matches natural parameters, no composites.
density testing detects hidden impurities or artificial structures.
High orient, minimal blemish. Confirming. Approved for premium sorting.
3-person evaluation ensures objective grading.
Refinement and qualification testing complete. Prepare batches for full grade classification.
With shaping.
Team, grading begins next. AAA classification, color matching, then on to jewelry assembly.
Maintain uniform light levels. Grading begins now.
This hall determines the final value of every natural pearl.
Now grading begins. Precision, consistency, and timeline matter.
We need level A grading completed in 48 hours for the EU shipment.
Priority. Mannar white rounds for gala order. Expedite lane 2.
Clear deadlines guide every step.
Copite, Gulf Batch A, 6.8mm trigalery, delivery in 72 hours.
Every batch tagged with destination and timeline.
Start triple pass for luster and nacre depth.
Grading uses standardized multi-check protocols.
Luster 9.2.
Confirming.
Approved. AAA. 3-person verification minimizes bias. Luster 9.2.
Confirming.
Approved AAA.
3-person verification minimizes bias.
X-ray shows full nacre layers, but pass.
Final scientific confirmation before matching.
Pair these two, color and orient identical.
Matching transforms pearls into marketable strands.
Keep track logs updated. Matching completes by 14 o'clock tomorrow. Timelines are tracked down to the hour.
Knot spacing 2 millimeters standard for premium strand.
Stringing and knotting protect each pearl and set premium value.
This pendant goes to the NY boutique shipment.
Assembly turns graded gems into finished luxury products.
Premium batches secured. Release only on dispatch order.
Before packaging, pearls are stored.
All checks green. Seal with certification label ALCL-Q. Final QC signs off before packaging.
Batch 12, gold box, COA inside.
Packaging preserves beauty and secures provenance.
Gala order via air, overnight express. EU order via secure freight.
Each shipment follows a protected chain of custody and route plan.
All targets met. Deliveries must leave by 18. Thank you for precision.
Leadership enforces deadlines and celebrates on-time delivery.
Seals verified. Sign off and load.
High-value shipments move under strict security.
Outbound to JFK. Estimated arrival 36 hours.
Global distribution connects ocean harvests to world markets.
Targets completed. Exceptional work, on time, on quality. Thank you.
A message of appreciation reinforces quality culture.
Confirmed delivery. These are for our flagship window.
Final retail acceptance completes the value chain.
The luster on this strand is extraordinary.
Customers and curators judge in person. Natural pearls must pass human aesthetic scrutiny.
From ocean chance to global showcase, our protocol protects rarity and delivers beauty. Next,
Impeccable quality, as expected from ONPW.
Natural pearls, shaped by nature and perfected by precision, now begin their new story.